going on? So check out what I just made. This right here is an origami candy bar, and yeah, or it's a chocolate bar, and it's pretty cool looking. And I'm gonna show you how to fold it. All right, ready, set, here goes. All right, so for this chocolate bar, I'm going to use a 6-inch square. So let's begin right side up, and we're gonna fold in half. And by the way, I made a simpler version of this model a couple days ago, so you can check that video out if you want. I recommend folding that one first before trying this one. Okay, and then now fold to your crease. Okay, and now let's fold in half. Alright, and then now fold to your crease. Okay, and now unfold, and here we divide it into 4. And now it's divided into 8. So fold this edge to the last crease. Alright, and fold to the nearest crease. Alright, and then now fold this on the second crease, like this. And now fold this edge to this edge. Alright, and fold the nearest crease. Okay, and now unfold. And now we're gonna fold these edges to the middle again. So hold the layers down so they don't slide like this, and fold this edge to here. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay, like this. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna form the lines of the chocolate bar. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start this top crease here, and we're gonna fold it up. How far? And this is to taste, and this is just like in the simpler version. So just fold it up just a tiny bit, maybe about like that. It's just to just eyeball it. So maybe a few millimeters, like 3 millimeters is good. And then turn it over and crease it nice and sharp. Alright, and then now do that on this crease, this crease, this crease, and all the way down. So I'll show you again on this one, then I'll fast forward the rest. So just fold it up, make a pleat, and make it a few millimeters on the side. And then match it on that side too. And turn over and crease it sharp. Okay. And now repeat that process all the way down. Okay, so this is what it should look like right here. And now we're going to do the same thing on these 3 creases. So I'm going to start here. So make this fold right here. And it's a little bit more trickier because it's more layers. But yeah, we're going to do the same thing. So just make a pleat. And this is to eye again, so make it maybe like 3 or 4 millimeters long on the sides. And try and keep it even all the way across as much as you can. It's a little bit tricky because of the layers. Just do the best you can. Alright, and then turn over and crease it sharply. Crease it as sharp as you can. Okay, like that. And then now do it on the middle one and this one. So make it, then make the pleat. And it's to taste. Make it like 3 millimeters or so. And make it sharp by turning over and creasing it like this. Alright, then last one. And I'll go ahead and fast forward this one. Okay, like this. So it's almost done, but we need to kind of close these edges off. So what we're gonna do is, I don't like how this edge is kind of, you know, rigid, like kind of open. So we're gonna make it a folded edge like this. So to do that, just kind of just fold it down. Fold it just a little bit, like probably a couple millimeters. Just fold it down to taste. This is just what makes it look a little bit better. And then on the side, crease it sharply. It's okay if it's kind of a little bit messy. This is the back of the chocolate bar anyway. You don't need to look at the back side. Alright, and yeah, that looks better. And we're gonna repeat on here, here, and here. So I'm gonna do this short side. And the good thing about making this fold is that it keeps these together. Alright, now do it on this long side and here. And I'll go ahead and fast forward because it's the exact same thing. And here it is. Here is our chocolate bar. Yeah, looks pretty cool. So yeah, it's a Hershey bar or a Dove chocolate bar or whatever. Yeah, I think Hershey's and Doves are my favorite chocolate. Yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah, there it is. And it's not really an action model. Well, it does spin. Well, this one spins. So yeah, it is an action model actually. You can make it spin. Maybe kind of make it convex on the top side. And then you can make it spin. Oh, yep. It's an action model. So yeah, spinning chocolate. So there you have it. Alright. Hope you guys were able to fold that. And make sure you subscribe. And let me know what you think. Let's see if it's a flicker. Yeah, I guess it can be. I'm gonna go ahead and flick it that way. No, it's not really a flicker because it has all these edges. It's not meant to fly. But yeah, alright, see you guys later.